Jeenar's new generation of valve stack AI visual detection system. Replace manual bag picking through AI visual detection. 5 core advantages. Help enterprises reduce costs and increase efficiency. 5 comprehensive function. Jeenar Vision Inspection System can detect defects in the fabric bag body and detect bag making defects. High accuracy, relying on powerful AI algorithm. Installs piercing eyes for bag making machines. The leakage rate is as low as 0.05%. 3. A strong adaptability. It only takes 1 to 2 days to install at the earliest. It's easy to operate. It can be adapted to all current machines in China or abroad. For personalized customization, it can be adjusted according to the customer's quality standards and management needs. Personalization, via efficiency and stability. AI replaces labor. No fatigue, no complaints, no mistakes. Efficient and stable operation. Improved production efficiency.